Every week, teams export Excel files full of business data like consumption flows, open rates, sales numbers, usually split across multiple tabs, then they calculate it manually. Sound familiar? If yes, then in this video I'll show you how we solve this by letting Salesforce do the work instead of you. If you're still calculating performance in multi-tab Excel, then you need to watch this video. There is a better way of doing that, so you can just do that in less than 10 seconds. So all what you need to do is just to going on the record page once, upload the file and click process engagement, and that's it. So I select the file and process engagement, or you just can synchronize it from your ERP system. But in this case, I just upload it here manually and we click process engagement. So once this is processed, less than 1 second, and here we go. Now we just reload this page, going to the records, and now we see engagement profiles. So what we see here, calculated the peak opens versus total opens, and we calculated the percentage of engagement ratio. So here we have 67% opens during just during the peak hours, versus this example just 36% opens in peak hours. By doing that, it just enables you to consume and focus on most important KPI and let the system automate everything for you. If you are curious how I did that, just write down in the comments and I will tell.